In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Firebase in Angular. By the end, you'll have Firebase wired up in your Angular app and be ready to use authentication, Firestore, and more. First, create a Firebase project. Head to the Firebase console. Click Add Project, give it a name, and complete the setup. When the project is ready, add a web app to it. Register an app nickname, and Firebase will show you a configuration object with keys like API key and project ID. Keep that tab open. We'll use this configuration soon. If you enable analytics, that's optional and won't affect the setup steps we're covering. Next, open your Angular project at the command line. Make sure you've already created an app with the Angular CLI. Install the required packages by running npm. Install Firebase at Angular Fire. This brings in the Firebase SDK and Angular Fire, the official Angular integration. Now configure your environment files. In src1 environment/environment. TS, add a Firebase property and paste the configuration values from the Firebase console. Do the same for environment.prod.ts if you plan to deploy. Treat these values as sensitive, don't hardcode them in places that might be shared publicly. And make sure your repo ignores anything you don't want exposed. Angular's file replacements will switch to the production config when you build for production. With the configuration in place, initialize Firebase in your Angular app. If you're using an app module, import Angular Fire's provider functions and pass in your configuration. For example, provide Firebase app with initialize app, and optionally provide auth, provide Firestore, and provide storage. Add those to your module's imports. If you're using a standalone Bootstrap setup, add the same providers in your Bootstrap logic. Save everything and restart your dev server so the providers load correctly. At this point, you can start using Firebase services. For authentication, inject Angular FireAuth and call sign. In with email and password, create user with email and password, or sign out, and subscribe to the AUTH state to react to user changes. For Firestore, inject Firestore and work with collections or documents using Angular Fire's observable-based APIs, which makes it easy to bind real-time data in templates. For storage, inject storage to upload files and retrieve download URLs. Always handle errors gracefully and secure your data with Firebase security rules before going live. That's it. You've set up a Firebase project, installed the libraries, configured your environments, initialized the SDK, and started using core services in Angular. Save your progress and you're ready to build features on top.